Hello, everyone. My name is Gerard. Today, I will be sharing with you this free learning website called Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a very friendly and easy to navigate um, website. So it is set up for parents, teachers, and students of all ages. So to get started, you could go in and you could set up an account, but for the sake of this particular presentation, I have already done that. So let's log in to my account. And as you can see, I have already went in and I begin to play around with some of the options that are available. But if you go up to the top left-hand corner to the where it says courses, you click on courses, and you can see the many different options that are available. The exercises that are available are friendly for students that are in the second grade, and it goes all the way up to grad school students. And as you can see, there are some options to help students prepare for the SAT, LSAT, the MCAT, the medical comprehensive exam, as well as some life skills exercises as well. So we come out of that. And if you look here, for the sake of this particular exercise, what we will do, just go to resume some of the things that I have already done. So here, for the sake of this one here, comment and let's do singular and plural now. Let's go. Books. So if you pick the correct answer again, it would indicate on the bottom that you have a correct answer. Let's say, for instance, I picked the wrong answer. It'll tell me that it is incorrect, but give me an opportunity to go back and pick the correct answer. Now, although I picked the correct answer, if you look down at the bottom right, it doesn't have a check mark because it'll let you know that where you are at in your progress. So let's just get through this particular exercise. Now, as you can see, it's very basic, and for the sake of this particular presentation, I chose a very basic exercise so that we could get through it rather quickly and introduce you to the format and basically how easy it is to navigate. Then at the end, it will show you what your results are. So again, I got 3 out of 4 correct. If I go back to it, I could to the bottom left, I can hit progress, and it will show the different exercises that I've done, what was my overall scores, where I'm at in my progress. If I want to change my profile to go from a learner or a student to a teacher, I can do that. I can also stop the exercise and or share it with other students and other teachers as well. And again, I found this particular website to be very easy to navigate. A lot of the exercises are simple. Again, it gives you many options to play around with. Thank you. Thank you for your time.